Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel, and this is your February's last week's exclusive love reading. Okay, so if your sun, moon, rising, any sign is Libra and you're going through a relationship, complicated situationship or marriage, this reading is for you. This will start from February 24th till the March 2nd. So let's see, your cards are already out. Let's see how your love life is going to be. You've got the Pope card and the Magician. And you've also got the Six of Moons, the Knight card, and the Two of Suns. Now, first of all, I do see that a lot of you Libra are trying to manifest a marriage, right? You have been trying very, very hard. You have been saying, God, please, I want to get married this year. I want to get married. And maybe you have started manifesting this marriage last year only. But it's not happening somehow, right? So, am I right? Why is it not happening is something I would like to tell you. Now, first of all, I do see with the Six of Moons here that you're stuck in the past, that you're constantly looking in the past, right? I do see that whenever you're trying to manifest, you are saying that, God, I want that kind of person, but I want somebody else also, or I want something of that person, making something of that person. It's like that. So you are sending out very confused energies to the universe. You are saying that I want that kind of person, at the same time you are saying that I don't want that kind of person, and that's why you're not together. The universe is really confused. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to surrender to the universe. You have to say, God or universe, whoever you believe in, please give me the person who is best for me, right? So I will be very happy with that person. Now don't give them criteria that I want this, I want that, this I want, but don't, this I don't be that specific. Don't go into the details. Just say whatever is best for you. Please manifest that. Okay, this way your manifestation will move 10 times faster. Otherwise, you'll keep on blocking your own manifestation. Now, to the others of you, I'm seeing that you have been trying to look for a reconciliation with your partner. I do see you guys in a separation or in a no contact situation, and I also see some sort of distance. So, it can be a long distance relationship, or it can be that you both have got very emotionally distant with each other, which means there have been so many fights and so many naggings that now you do not understand each other's language anymore. You don't understand what they're thinking. You can't communicate with them without them taking you in a wrong way, something like that. I do see that why your fights are happening. I know that the fights are happening. I can see that. Now why the fights are happening is also I'm going to tell you. I do see that there are compatibility issues between the two of you, whether you are in a relationship or marriage, or have been in a relationship or marriage for a very long time. But the scenario is the same, that you guys have been fighting with each other a lot, or going on and off, blocking, unblocking, talking, not talking, that kind of situation. That's happening because you both are egoistical, because you both are equally strong personalities. Whenever there is a fight, none of you want to back down, right? Nobody wants to back down. So obviously, how will a relationship work? So this card is saying that since both of you together are very, very strong personalities and very similar personalities, if you want to cooperate with each other, if you want a reconciliation to happen, you will have to compromise. If you do not compromise, there will always be fights, there will always be problems, arguments, or on and off situations. So if you want a smoother life for yourself, smoother relationship or smoother marriage, you will have to compromise a bit. Now, I'm not saying, Libra, that you only compromise, the other person doesn't. Yes, sometimes you compromise, sometimes the other person compromise. But of course, compromise is important for your relationship if you want a smooth one. Otherwise, you will always be feeling this distance between the two of you, where there is no proper communication or feelings being exchanged. So that is the problem. All right. So I do see that the cards are a bit complicated, and you guys are going through very much complications in your love life. I hope this reading will help you. And if you resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know. And if you still have certain questions, because this was a general reading and you have specific questions regarding your personal life or your career or anything else, you can always book a reading with me. Either you can email me at astasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me at the Moksha Tarot as well. That's my Instagram handle. Please don't forget to like my Instagram channel, follow my Instagram channel, because you will get a lot of updates over there regarding what's going to happen here. Alright. So take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.